Hey YouTube, today we'll be doing a comic review on Batgirl and the Birds of Prey rebirth issue. Uh, I know it's a little late for me to do this review, but I just want to share some of my thoughts for this comic, so let's go. So this comic, this issue talks about the like some part of the origins of how the Birds of Prey is formed, and starting off the issue, it's more on Batgirl's history. That's I think they call it Batgirl and the Birds of Prey. Yeah, so you can see some of the and yeah, the in this issue it talks about Batgirl realized that someone is using the name Orica, which is used to be Barbara Gordon. Yeah, let's see. So someone used her account, hack, and use Orica. So that's very dangerous. So yeah, a little bit origin about her being Orica. Some like the killing Joker shooting her and making her paralyzed, and there is a Black Canary, just a little bit about her. Then later they'll be teaming up to try to find who is the trying to find more about the person who is using the Orica system. Yeah, and some sneaker advertisements, and on their way finding the information, another team member of the Birds of Prey, while she's not the member of the Birds of Prey for now, the only member are Batgirl and Black Canary, and she's the Huntress. So she's on her way to kill the guy in this issue, who is also the guy Batgirl and Black Canary is finding more information about the Oracle guy, the person who is using Oracle. And yeah, this is the last page. So I think I should buy the next issue of the Birds of Prey, issue number 1. Yeah, that's about it. So my thoughts about this issue, it's quite detailed about the origin. It's exciting, and you'll probably want to buy volume 1 because you want to know who is using the Orica account. So yeah, well, this video is in Singapore, and Singapore have very little comic book store because I guess maybe people are working too much and they have so less time to read comic books or something. Singaporeans hardly read books too, so there is very little comic book store in Singapore. And one of the most you can say it's well known in Singapore comic book store is G&B comic book store, and their bookstore is shifting by 31st August, but they are not saying where they'll be shifting. So I will be making a video trip to G&B comic book store. So yeah, the bookstore is closing down, so y'all better go and see whatever comic books you want. Oh yeah, and for every trade paperback comic books, they'll be selling at the price of $1 equal to 1 SGD. So yeah, I'm just saying. Bye bye.